Alright, today guys, we're working with an Ag50 light bar DGPS Autopilot system that is currently working with a Viper Pro. We're sending GPS into the Viper Pro for their application control. So if you look there, you see everything's there, and we're communicating here at 5 hertz at 19,200 baud rate. So if you see this and you get in and we're running Autopilot, this is how to disable the NEMA stream going into the Viper or to whatever you're outputting to, so that we can use AP Toolbox to talk to the nav. So again, this is the steps that it takes to get there. So we're going to start in the display here. So if we go into our display and we go up and down with our arrows here, down to our wrench, and hit OK, and then we're going to go down to our Autopilot, hit OK, and then you're going to go down until you see external NEMA. This should be turned on. If it's showing any hertz here, then that means it's actually on and outputting. You're going to turn it to the off position and hit OK, and hit OK to exit. Then you can go back out to your main menu and return to guidance. And if you look over here at your Viper, you see GPS GPS is now an X, so we're no longer sending GPS in. We can go down to our cables on the floor and change our serial cables to our cable coming from our computer for AP Toolbox, so that we can get into the nav, change the profile, adjust the Autopilot to do whatever we may need to do. And as you can see, if we go into our Autopilot here, so we're able to communicate with the nav controller and everything. Everybody's happy. So to re-enable the GPS or the NEMA out, again, we're still with no GPS. Go ahead and plug back in our cable. So we're going to send NEMA back to our Viper Pro. So we're plugged back in, but we're still not seeing any GPS on our Viper. So we turn our attention back to our Ag50 light bar here. It's hard to see, I know, but you're going to go back to your wrench. You're going to go back to Autopilot, all the way down to external NEMA, and you're going to change this back to whatever your desired hertz was, which was 5 hertz, 19.2 for this vector here. And when we hit OK, and we go all the way back to our main menu and back to return to guidance and back to our home screen here, we turn our attention back over here to our Viper Pro, and we have GPS again. Again, this is how we would output NEMA from an Ag50 light bar, which is pretty ancient technology, using Autopilot. Again, thank you for tuning in. I hope this helps someone. Thanks.